Hello viewers. Thanks, and welcome to our channel Biafra Battle Cry Television today. We shall be bringing to you the two Polish ladies that has spoken well about the Igbo race, and hard-working business entrepreneur been brave people wherever they found themselves worldwide at any situation. If you are from Igbo man or woman, after hearing this, share the gospel to friends and family. Hardship is not meant for Igbo man, they don't take no for answer. The two Polish ladies said that freedom is not free and our oppressors will not let us go if we don't do anything to free ourselves. It was like that during the time of children of Israel in Egypt in the hand of Pharaoh. These two Polish women spoke good about the need for every woman on earth, that Igbo man is the type of husband to marry that look after women. The Holy Book says in Isaiah 4 verse 1, "And in that day 7 women shall take hold of one man, saying, We will eat our own bread, and wear our own apparel, only let us be called by your name, to take away our reproach." Jesus Christ! Really? No wonder. One of our Igbo adages may say it, that you cannot see where they are doing chieftaincy title coronation and ignore it, and go to where people are practicing ritual remedy. One thing we have to learn about jealous from our enemy is that they say light in us, that's why they envied us. Remember, a man without enemy have no great value. We thank these two Polish ladies whom have taken the gospel of Biafra upon themselves on the platform of online evangelism. All hail Biafra! Please viewers, do us a favor, share to your friends and family, like and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.
We just had Christmas, and this is a perfect time to think about other people, think about your family, think about your loved ones, think about your ancestors, and generally think about who we are, what are our values, where we come from, and I'm Polish, so I was reminiscing about World War II and how it affected us in Poland, and I was thinking about people who fought in that war, what they really had to go through. It's just unimaginable. And then I realized that right now, as we speak, we are living a history. Biafra is fighting for independence, and this is a history happening right now. This is the times that people will be writing books about. This is the times that people will be making movies about, and we are living it as we speak right now. And I think that sometimes when we are living this reality, it just seems so normal. The news are coming every day. At some point, you kind of just get used to it, and it seems like part of everyday life. And we might forget how important and how significant it is. And here I am, holding the Declaration of Biafra. This is the proof that Biafra is here. Biafra is coming. Nobody and nothing can stop Biafra anymore. So guys, here it is, Declaration of Biafra. I will see you in Biafra land.
So, are Igbo men romantic? Igbo men are practical. Igbo men are very proud, as they should be. They are very hardworking, and they deserve a lot of respect. They are very, very strong. Physically, mentally, they really take care of themselves. They have very high fashion sense and just aesthetical sense. And to be honest, it's not that common in men. So that is something to be appreciative of. And Igbo men are also very ambitious. Plenty of things to be proud of. Therefore, Igbo men want to be treated like king in a relationship, and in return they will treat a woman like a queen. And I think that is a very good attitude to have in a relationship on both sides, to respect each other and treat each other the way you want to be treated. So if you want to be treated like a queen, to feel like a queen, give the same treatment to your man. I think the way Igbo men show love is through being very supportive. They will be very strong for you, and they will throw money on you, girl. They will. But at the same time, it's not good to expect your man to be your personal ATM. That's not what men are for. But it's nice when men just want to spoil you because they want to, not because they're expected to. That is a very different attitude, and that's a very different balance. So yeah. I would not ever support the mentality that some women have, that men are supposed to just like be your personal ATM. No, you know, just few days ago, actually, this is why I'm recording this video. We were shopping and my husband just saw some nice clothes and he just decided to buy them for me, and I was so grateful, especially that I would not buy them for myself because, you know, I'm actually a funny person. I love luxury. I love luxury. Any kind of luxury. I love. But at the same time, I hate spending money. I hate spending money, and he knows I'm not gonna go and buy it. And so he goes and buys it for me, and and I said, "Thank you, babe." And then he said, "You know, you're such a supportive wife. You always support me in the good times, bad times. You know, how could I not spoil you?" So it's something that he does when I don't expect it at all, and that gives an extra kick of excitement, you know, like when he does it when I don't even expect it or when I don't want it. Well, I mean, I do want it, I just don't expect it, you know. I have zero expectations. um, so anyway, what I'm trying to say, I think that when Igbo men love you, they might not shower you with too many kind and sweet words, but they will definitely buy you a land, you know. They might not buy you a diamond ring, but they will buy you a land, and I think that is so much better, um, you know, long term. I actually think this is one of the reasons why I fell in love with Igbo community, because I'm quite business minded, and that's how a lot of Igbos are, and this is a common ground I think I found with Igbos just at the beginning of all of it. So this is the attitude I love, and I'm happy that my husband is like that. So if you want to feel like a queen, find yourself an Igbo king. That that that's a good chorus for the song, actually. If you want to be queen, find yourself an Igbo king. Whoa, whoa. I can feel it. I can feel it. Okay, that's all for today. Bye now. Catch you for.